Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install Python 3, 11 or newer, and add it to your path so commands work. Once done, verify with Python version. Next, pick an editor. VS Code or PyCharm are great, but idle is fine for quick trials. Then create a project folder and initialize a virtual environment with Python mvenv so dependencies stay isolated. Make sure to activate that venv before installing packages to avoid system conflicts. Now you'll write and execute code while learning core workflows. Open your editor and create main. Type a simple print hello to confirm runtime. Use pip inside the activated venv to install a package, for example pip install requests or pip install numpy, so you learn dependency management. Run your script with Python main. And read error messages carefully, they guide fixes. As you iterate, add functions, test small units, and commit to short edit run cycles to build momentum and confidence. Finish by making your work reproducible and resilient. Write a few simple tests using assert or pytest to lock expected behavior. Once they pass, you'll be confident to refactor. Record exact dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXD so others can recreate your environment. Finally, run a full script and inspect output. If something breaks, first check venv activation and interpreter selection in your editor. Then confirm path and reinstall problematic packages. This single troubleshooting sequence resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.